Great design isn't just what looks nice, it's how users feel, behave, and convert. User experience, by UX, isn't a guesswork game. Behind every click, scroll, or exit is data that tells a story. Today, we'll walk you through the core UX metrics that matter, the ones that show what works, what doesn't, and where you need to focus to drive real results. User experience includes ease of use, satisfaction, efficiency, and how well a site meets user expectations. UX metrics are measurable signals, not just opinions, that help assess usability, engagement, and how effectively the site helps users achieve their goals. Good UX metrics correlate with better conversion rates, retention, lower bounce, and higher user satisfaction. Task success rate, TSRA. What percentage of users complete a defined goal, e.g. checkout, form, submit? Time on task, time on page. How long users take to complete a task, or how long they spend on content pages, helps reveal friction or content engagement. Error rate, system error rate. How often users hit errors, form validation, broken flows, site bugs, indicating usability problems. Page load speed, performance metrics, load time, responsiveness. Critical because slow or unstable pages kill UX and increase bounce rate and drop off, abandonment rate. How many users leave or abandon before engaging or converting signals mismatched expectations or poor UX, conversion rate and success rate from UX lens. Turning visitors into customers, subscribers, thanks to good UX flow and clarity. User satisfaction, attitudinal metrics, CSAT, NPS, feedback surveys. How users feel about interacting with your site, which complements behavioral data. Discuss tools and methods. Analytics platforms for page speed, bounce, conversions. Usability testing / session recordings for task success, error rates. And user feedback for satisfaction metrics. Combine quantitative data, time, rates, errors, with qualitative feedback, surveys, user interviews. This full picture helps prioritize meaningful improvements. Track over time, compare before, after, changes, and benchmark against industry or internal goals to see real impact. High bounce plus slow load time. Site too slow or content irrelevant. High error rate / low task success. Forms or checkout flow broken, confusing UI. Low time on page, but high exit on content pages. Content isn't engaging or isn't matching user intent. Metrics help isolate exact friction points rather than guessing. Once you identify weak metrics, e.g. slow pages, high error rate, prioritize improvements, optimize performance, fix bugs, refine UI, clarify copy. Use improved UX metrics to drive higher conversions, better engagement, lower bounce, more retention. Show the connection between UX data and business value. Treat UX optimization as ongoing. Track metrics after each change. Iterate based on data, keep improving. Track the right metrics. Performance, usability, satisfaction. Collect both quantitative plus qualitative data, benchmark, and iterate. That's how you turn your site into a high-performing asset. Start tracking at least 3 core metrics today. Then review them in 30 days and see what story your data tells. The numbers don't lie.